Good morning, students. Welcomed you in Bal Sadhana School, Gudagorji. Myself, Vikas Lamba. In previous video, we will discussing chapter 6, trigonometric ratios. Now, in this video, we discussing about chapter number 7, trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities, chapter 7. Okay, start. In previous video, we will discussing about right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, one angle 90 degree and hypotenuse opposite side to right angle, perpendicular opposite side to theta, and third one is a base. Okay, same right angle triangle using here. Now for calculating some trigonometric identities. Okay, according to figure in triangle ABC, B is a right angle, for angle theta, C1 is theta. Now opposite side of angle theta is a perpendicular, and BC base, opposite side of 90 degree hypotenuse. Okay, now according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Therefore, in this right angle triangle AC, hypotenuse is AC, so AC square perpendicular is AB. Now AB square plus base square, base means in this triangle base is BC, so BC square. Now equation number first, here we using some symbols and dotted. First symbol, we using here first symbol. In this sign means we know that, this sign we know that, and that one is therefore, that one symbol means therefore. Okay, equation first. Now equation first dividing both side by AC square. Equation first dividing both side by AC square. First step AC. Now AC square divided by AC square, each term divided by AC square. Second AB square divided by AC square. Third term BC, now BC square divided by AC square. Okay, AC square, AC means hypotenuse, Now here write down AC means hypotenuse means H. Okay, H means hypotenuse, P means perpendicular, B means base. Now H square, AC square upon AC square means H square upon H square. AB means in this triangle AB is perpendicular. Now AB is perpendicular, so P square upon AC means hypotenuse, so H square, plus BC means base, so B square. AC means hypotenuse, H square. Okay, H square upon H square, P square upon H square, B square upon H square. Now next H square upon H square cancel out, means 1 इक्वल p स्क्वायर अपॉन h स्क्वायर, p स्क्वायर अपॉन h स्क्वायर, p अपॉन h, p अपॉन h. We discussing in previous video some trick PBP upon HHB. This trick na PBP upon HHB. Perpendicular base, perpendicular hypotenuse, hypotenuse base. Okay. Now h upon h cancel out means 1. P upon h, p upon h means identity, trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. Okay, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Okay, understood? So p upon h, p upon h means sin theta, it means sin square theta. Here we write sin square theta plus b upon h, b upon h means cos, therefore cos square theta, cos square theta. Now 1 equal sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1 equal sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so identity, therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, first identity. Okay, next, according to this identity, we using and made next identity, means we calculate only sin square theta. Only sin square theta means sin square theta as it is, cos square theta. Now cos square theta transferring on other side, cos square theta transferring on other side, cos square theta plus transferring on other side, 1 as it is, cos square theta transferring on other side means minus cos square theta. So next identity, sin square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, next identity, we calculate here cos square theta. Cos square theta means write cos square theta, sin square theta transferring on other side, so 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, main identity is this one. Main identity is this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Okay, we using this identity, we made other two identities from this one. Okay, now again equation first, dividing each term by ab square. First step, equation first na, equation first is Pythagoras theorem, ac square plus ab square equal plus bc square, hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. First step, we dividing equation first by ac square first. Second step, we dividing equation first by ab square. Third step, we dividing equation first by bc square. Okay, now equation first ac square plus ab square plus bc square divided by ab, all terms. So first ac square upon ab square, second one ab square upon ab square, plus third one bc square upon ab square. Okay, now ac means hypotenuse, AB means perpendicular in this right angle triangle AC, AB, BC. Okay. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular, perpendicular upon perpendicular, and base upon perpendicular. Okay. Now using this trick, PBP upon HHB. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay. Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now H upon P. H upon P means H upon P cosec theta. So using cosec square theta. P upon P, cancel out P square upon P square 1 plus B upon P. B upon P. B upon P means cot theta. So using cot square theta. Now second identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. Second main identity. First main identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Second main identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. We calculate these two identity from this one. Similarly, we calculate these two identity from this one. From this one. We calculate only cot square. So cot square means cosec square. 1 transferring on other side. Sign change. Number transferring on other side. Number transferring on one side to other side. So plus convert into minus. Minus convert into plus. Multiply. Convert other side into divide, and divide convert other side into multiply. Okay. Now 1 transferring on other side, minus 1. So identity cot square theta equal cosec square theta minus 1. And seventh identity, we calculate 1, value of 1, value of 1, value of 1 according to cot and cosec. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay. Again third step, equation first, dividing each term by BC square. First equation first dividing by AC square. Second equation first dividing by AB square. Third equation first dividing by BC square. Now BC square, AC square upon BC square, AB square upon BC square, BC square upon BC square. Okay. AC square upon BC square, AC upon BC. AC means hypotenuse and BC means base. AB square means perpendicular, BC square means base. BC square upon BC square cancel out 1. According to trick, H upon B. H upon B means sec theta. H upon B. H upon B means sec theta. P upon B. P upon B means P upon B tan theta. So tan square theta plus 1 as it is. Now sec square theta equal tan square theta plus 1. Therefore third main identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equal sec square theta. Using this identity, we made other two identities. We calculate only tan square. Only tan square means sec square as it is. 1 transferring on other side, -1. We calculate value of 1 according to tan and sec, according to tan and sec. So sec square theta as it is minus tan square theta. Okay, first main identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Second main identity, 1 plus cot square theta equal cosec square theta. And third one main identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal sec square theta. Okay, next, here we write some identities for this chapter, very important. First identity, tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Now cot theta is inverse of tan. Cot theta is inverse of tan, means tan sin upon cos, then cot is cos upon sin. Cos upon sin. Next identity, sin theta. Sin theta equal 1 upon cosec theta. Sin theta equal 1 upon cosec theta. And sec theta equal 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta equal 1 upon cos theta. Okay. Now other some identities are useful. Other some identities are useful according to this chapter. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. It means two numbers in addition and their square. A first number, b second number and their whole square. Okay. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square. It means first number. 2ab. It means 2 multiply first number and second number plus b square. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. These two identity are similar. Here we using plus sign, then plus and plus. Here we using minus sign, so only minus sign using here. First and third step are same. In change in second step, here plus, so plus. In this step minus, we using minus sign. Third identity, a square minus b square. First number square minus second number square. So a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Fourth one, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Fifth, a cube minus b cube. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. These two are similar, plus and minus. Only difference, here we using plus, here we using minus. Okay. Now next one, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next one, a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Eighth, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next important identities. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, now we solve some questions according to these identities. First question, example, prove that cot square theta plus tan square theta equal cosec theta into sec theta. Cot theta plus tan theta equal cosec theta into sec theta. Okay, now we taking LHS. Left hand side is cot theta and tan theta, cot theta and tan theta, taking LHS. Taking LHS. Cot theta, we know that cot theta means cos upon sine, cos upon sine. Some identities we discussing, some identities na. Cot theta cos upon sine, tan sine upon cos. Okay, cot theta, cot means cos upon sine, cos upon sine. Tan theta means sine upon cos, sine upon cos. Okay, taking LCM these two steps, taking LCM these two steps. LCM is sin theta and cos theta, sin theta and cos theta combinedly. Okay, now sin theta and cos theta divided by sin, remaining cos theta multiply by numerator cos theta, cos into cos, cos square theta. Again sin theta cos theta divided by second step cos theta, cos cancel out, remaining sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta and cos theta. Okay, next step. Now sin square cos square plus sin square, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. So cos square theta sin square theta replaced by 1, it means sin square plus cos square equal 1, divided by sin theta and cos theta, divided by sin theta and cos theta equal 1 divided by both, 1 divided by both, 1 divided by sin, 1 divided by sin into 1 divided by cos, 1 divided by cos. 1 upon sin into 1 upon cos. 1 divided by sin, we know that cosec theta equal 1 upon sin theta, 1 upon sin theta. So using 1 upon sin theta equal cosec theta. Now 1 upon sin theta equal cosec, and 1 upon cos, sec theta equal 1 upon cos theta. So using 1 upon cos equal sec. 1 upon cos equal sec. Now cosec theta into sec theta. Cosec theta into sec theta. We taking LHS cot theta into tan theta, cot theta plus tan theta, and prove cosec theta and sec theta. So LHS equal RHS. LHS equal RHS. Okay students, next one. Question number first. Question number first. Chapter 7.1. Express all trigonometric ratios in terms of sec theta for angle theta. Express all trigonometric ratios in terms of sec theta for angle theta. Now given sec theta na, given sec theta, so we write here identity of sec theta. We write here identity of sec theta. Sec theta means identity 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. So here we using cos theta equal 1 upon sin. Cos theta equal 1 upon sin. Cos theta equal 1 upon sin. Okay. Using this identity according to given condition. According to given condition. Okay. Here given is sec theta. Now relation between sec means sec and cos. Given tan, so relation between tan and cot. Given sine, so relation between sine and cosec. Okay. Now sec theta. Cos theta equal 1 upon sec theta. Here we draw right angle triangle ABC. B is a 90 degree. B is a 90 degree. And C is a theta. Okay. We let C is a theta. B is a 90. Okay. Then opposite to 90 hypotenuse. Opposite to theta perpendicular means P. Okay. Now here cos theta 1 upon sec and trick 1 means base. Sec theta means hypotenuse means cos theta equal base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equal base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse, here base is 1, so we write base equal 1. Base equal 1. And hypotenuse is sec theta, so here we write hypotenuse is sec theta. Okay. Now by Pythagoras theorem, base and hypotenuse given. According to this one, base and hypotenuse given. Third side perpendicular. First we calculate a perpendicular. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal AB square plus BC square. It means hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square equal perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse AC, perpendicular AB and base BC. Okay. AC is given according to this identity. AC hypotenuse is sec theta, so AC sec square theta. AB means perpendicular. We calculate this one na, so AB as it is. BC means base is 1, so we write 1 square. Okay. Now sec square theta as it is, we calculate AB na, so 1 is transferring on other side, plus 1 transferring on other side, convert into -1, AB square as it is. We calculate only AB. Here AB square equals sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. Okay. Now equation first, taking square root on both side. Taking square root on both side. Taking square root on both side. Here square root of AB square cancel out by root. Here root sec square theta minus 1. Now sec square theta minus 1. Value of AB is sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. So AB is perpendicular. Perpendicular is sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. According to question, express all trigonometric ratios in terms of sec theta. In terms of sec theta. So all trigonometric ratios means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now AB right angle triangle, hypotenuse sec theta, perpendicular root sec square theta minus 1, base equal 1. All trigonometric ratios calculate. So according to trick, PBP upon HHB, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Now first sin theta. Sin theta means P by H. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse means perpendicular is sec square theta minus 1. According to this triangle, perpendicular sec square theta minus 1. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is sec theta. So sec theta. Second, cos theta. Cos theta B upon H. B upon H. Base upon hypotenuse. Base is 1, hypotenuse is sec theta. So 1 upon sec theta. Third one, tan theta. Tan theta means P upon B. P upon B. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular sec square theta base 1. So root sec square theta minus 1 upon 1. Next one, cot theta. Cot theta 1 upon tan means tan theta 1 upon cot theta. So B by P. So 1 upon root sec square theta minus 1. Sec theta. Sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta. B by H. Sec theta upon 1. Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta means H upon P. H upon P. Hypotenuse sec theta, perpendicular root sec square theta minus 1. Root sec square theta minus 1. Okay students, I am sure. Okay students, I am sure you like my video. Please share with your friends and relatives. And some information for you. We provide you all notes PDF. We provide you all notes PDF in our subscription channel. We provide you all notes PDF in our subscription channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.